seatbelt.
We go by
It
Uber
fasten
again
your seatbelt.
to the city.
Einmal ist richtig, ja?
Yes.
Yeah, König
And seatbelt is must here.
the architect is different.
Shopping mall, but actually shopping mall is the DM with German, the Hauber, the pharmacy, then groceries, everything German, made in Germany, what's in the language of the architect since Dusseldorf, local capital of fashions, music and art. Shopping streets in Yangre, certain Paris, the whole Galleria, Which one? Most of the time when I wear this kind of goggles, I look like a grasshopper, but I feel like this is nice. I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, I'm gonna run.
Buy it.
For running, it's nice. Madam, me look okay?
Yes, you look nice. You look nice.
Beautiful.
16
no?
euro na. Get it
Yeah.
na.
Yeah. Magi supermarket sih.
You want my thing? Hot or cold?
Both. Cold. Singpi ito. I get the shampoo. Sige, multivitamins, calcium, vitamin C, then hand creams for my friends. Shopping loraba matungda akoise ngarang akoina charba lunch Alter Bahnhof haiba mafamduda amuka lae ado yamna lapa mafamdi nati khongna chapya ba lambi ne kilometer ani moni ngarang ni kilometer mari bong ne chali du khongna khoi lebam de dong asi di shopping tawraga hinjang na piki ge leuraga mu direct jine mafamdi halfway de na ise 2 kilometer phade hedar ado khoi smaina 2 to 3 kilometer chatpa sida Dusseldorf city sida 10 to 12 euros adum spend tawa hedar ko the weather say yamna mamli torga nong choli to hetare dum kadam drizzle oi da hai because matam su yam sang ta yam ko in le do na tan la ne dum ko ne tong ni ba loi ta hon uber da dum chat la hetare. We come to the same place again.
Yeah. Let's see. We're gonna see the same lady or not. I don't think so.
She likes it. I like it too. And they have this beer brewery. See, it's a nice place. We're going in. Soup. First meal. Are reuniting. Piccadilly. What is this? Piccadilly. And the same food that we had yesterday. This is the meat soup, sausage, cabbage, potato, and coleslaw. Why do you come to this place?
I like it. One of the best. They claim that the Schweizer here is based in Düsseldorf.
Oh, bravo. Thank you. Thank you for coming with me. Thank you to me.
Thank you for bringing me here
Again. Guten Appetit.
Let's eat, madam. How are you feeling after having all the dishes?
I'm speechless.
Speechless means in a good way.
No words to describe how I'm feeling right now. I feel like I'm the top of the world. The food is so good. Guys, if you're in the Dusseldorf, you must visit this place. I don't know, maybe we're so hungry, but it cannot be possible that we're hungry for 2 days. Yesterday was so good.
Look at
and today
this
is so good. See, all
empty
the plates are
plates.
empty here.
Yes.
Amazing. Oh.
What beer you have? Show me the beer. Ui. So
How are you feeling?
ich bin sehr. I'm so full.
Good, happy?
Yes, thank you for being me here again.
It's a video.
Ooh, how is the feeling after eating?
I cannot feel my body. I'm so full.
I feel like my tummy is very
Will you come back here again?
heavy. Yes, next
Yeah.
time. It's really peaceful city.
And what's your rating from 1 to 10?
This restaurant, I would say some certain dishes like Schweinshaxe is one of the best I ever tried.
Yeah.
So definitely I come back for it.
Okay. 1 to 10. For me, I say 7.
Okay, 7, 8.
7, 8. Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Food quality, portion, yeah, beer, yeah.
Service is good to compare with other parts
Yeah.
of Germany.
Yeah, they're not like rude people, I would say. Yeah,
Okay.
they're not rude. Yeah, we had a good time. We are coming here twice, which is, imagine we are going ups and down by Uber 4 times in this place, which means, yeah,
It's okay. Money give you convenience.
the convenience, yeah, we pay for the convenience.
And
not
it's
for-
reasonable today. The weather is not nice.
Yeah, the weather is so gloomy, and it's a bit drizzling outside. So yeah,
Totally, this layover is okay.
it's really worth it. That's kindness, very kind. Kabun ka, kabun ka.
We are taking care of the
Yeah.
picture everywhere in the world.
And now our Uber is here.
Yes, I'll be the same.
Another last Uber. Yalla, it's there. Danke. That's
Oh, this Uber. 1991 license number.
your date of birth? Are you 1991 born?
Yeah.
Come here.
Hello, guten Tag. Ui.
Hello. I am back. Another shopping. Finish another day. Whew. Just all about food. Eat. Okay, I did some shopping. This is Spranger. It's like a meat, like a big, like this bowl of meal. Meat. And sis optum. Sis na nungdang gumbaganda mga crepes gen yaw ba chaning ako matang yaw da chana ba kabok hay tare ko. Buka ngarang gi beer da dum yawri sina like a slice pizza gumbani ko salami meat hapaga bread stuff to ba bake to ba sis na sausage with the bread suzuk like a sang meat yaw ko. Then ano ay lamjen daytime da chen ba kanda ay power glass do to uppe ba do ka lamjen chen da up na ba nungai yam yang si se. And then moza Adidaski multivitamins ay friend singi hayeng ayuk da chana ba yogurt vanilla yogurt sis na some hairspray travel to the puna ba hindi hair dryer sis na tringai da na hair styling to da moisturize conditioner to ra ka na lower ka na kap na ba. Then she's na shower bathtub da hapaga like you know those bubble kind of thingy extract. It's really good for the muscles, relief. Another one, same, in a vanilla. And then hand cream for my friend, gift. German Gi, they have a very nice hand cream collection. And then, shower scrub. Shower scrubbing. Irujabada. Nuratak na ba? Then the shampoo is a very nice pH 5.5 neutral kind of microbiome balance, provitamin B5. And this is my Fenty lip balm. And what else? Yeah, same, another spray, multivitamin for my friend, and hand cream, another one. What else remaining? Done. This is the end of my Dusseldorf layover.